Hello, Gavin Sykes. Today we're looking at the floor stand range for the CX and C9 range, complete with BeoSound Stage. So we'll start over here with silver and black stands, which offer turn, and optionally you can also use VESA mount televisions other than LG, and you can remove the stage mount. So you could mount, for example, the Sony on its own or any of the LGs. Moving along here to a conversion to an existing Bang & Olufsen stand, and this stand here is for a BeoVision 10, 11 or 14, and it is specifically and only for the C9 and the CX range, and it must be used with BeoSound Stage because there's a hole in the stand. Next conversion is a BeoVision 732, also a 626 or a 1032. So a range of stands there. And again, this one is with or without BeoSound Stage, and it can work with a C9, CX and other TVs, VESA patterns, such as Sony or Samsung. Exactly the same for the BeoVision 740. Again, you can choose to use Stage, or actually you can, if you wish, retain your BeoLab 7. And retaining BeoLab 7 is common on the 740 and the 732 conversion. And finally, we've made a version of the Avant 55 stand, which we sell complete or as an adapter, and this will give you full 360-degree rotation for customers who want lots of movement, manual movement. So let's have a look in more detail at some of the stands now. Okay, so this is the floor stand for the LG CX and C9 TVs, and I have it here with a 55-inch. And I've got two versions of the stand, black and silver. This is the presentation with BeoSound Stage, and as you can see, it's very attractive. But I'm going to look at the detail here on the stand. So it's designed to accept LG C9 CX, but also any TV that has VESA 200 and VESA 300 patterns. So there's a lot of flexibility in terms of height. We have lots of fixing points here where the plate mounts to the stand, and then also lots of fixing points for where the TV mounts to the plate. And that allows the TV to move up and down so that you can always achieve 500 millimeters from the underside of the TV to the floor. The adapter pole for Stage is removable. Just to take that out now. So if your customer doesn't want Stage, you don't need to have it. The screen is vertical, as you can see here, and there's no tilt adjustment, but there is rotation. There's 20 degrees of rotation, so there's a little bit of adjustment if the customer needs it. Cable routing is internal, so the cables can travel in the rear of the pole and then come out at the top, so you don't need to see cables at the back. And using the STB mounting system, you can put a decoder on the rear of the TV. And that could be a decoder, an Apple TV, a PlayStation, more or less any box that you like can be mounted on the rear. So they're the main features of the STBbrackets floor stand, available in black and silver, especially for VESA mounted televisions, including the CX panel and of course the BeoSound Stage soundbar from Bang & Olufsen.